This is artwork from Mario Klingenmann. He's a German artist working with artificial intelligence as a tool for art. So what is happening if you kneel, that you have to do, it will come in a unique sentence that is created in real time and it doesn't repeat. So all the time that someone kneel will get something unique for this moment. But the real meaning about the artwork is as a human, like now she's doing, we are gonna give meaning to this nonsense because the computer don't know nothing about you. But the people get something creating the artwork. The real artwork is the human, not the artificial intelligence. You're most welcome. You have to try it.
We're gonna have fun in Hong Kong. You ready?
Good, very good.
And please claim the QR code before
Visual card.
So claim it by 6 is sold. And then your code to open the package. Claim it by 6 p.m. Sunday. Go on the website and then you get the free entries. You want the phone? So, have you heard of NFTs, XCOPY? Some of you know. XCOPY is the highest selling NFT artist ever.
Like I don't believe it. Then I left.
Yeah, it'd be a pleasure. So this project is by an art duo called Marble Labs, and they created an algorithm. And so from that algorithm, they define things like color palette, the visual aesthetic, how many pieces could be within an edition. You can have up to 11.